Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfredo Josimano Khalid, NPM 244111012. I am from class MNG 24C. Here I will discuss about understanding and using statistics. Why statistics matter today? The era of data-driven decision. Data-driven world. Decisions across business, healthcare, and policy are fundamentally reliant on quantitative data analysis. Critical interpretation. Statistical literally empower you to interpret complex data critically and identify common pitfalls or bias. Avoiding misconception. Understanding statistics prevent misinterpretation from misleading headlining and contribute to sound decision making. What is statistics? Defining the core discipline. Statistics is the systematic science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data to facilitate informed decision making under uncertainty. Descriptive statistics. Method used to summarize, organize, and describe characteristics of a dataset. Focus on measures like mean, median, and variability. Inventorial statistics. Techniques that allow us to draw connections or make predictions about a large population based on a smaller sample of data. Use probability and significance tests. Navigation the statistical minefield. Common pitfalls. Correlation versus causation. A fundamental error. Observing a strong relationship between two variables does not prove that one caused the other. Look for confidence factor. Sampling bias. If the data collection process favors certain outcomes, the sample is not representative of the population, leading to incorrect conclusion. Context-free p-value. Over-relying solely on p-value. Statistic significant, without considering the practical context or effect size lead to misrepresentation of result. Visualizing data. Converting raw numbers into insightful charts is crucial for discovery. Effective visualization reveals patterns, trends, and outliers that are invisible in spreadsheets. The power of visual communication. Effect charts include bar chart, histogram, and box plots. Visuals serve to reveal hidden patterns and underlying trend. Outliers become immediately apparent in a well-designed visualization. Florence Nightingale pioneering use of the polar area diagram during the Second World War. How complex mortality data was communicated to police marker, saving countless lives. How to present statistics like a professional designer. Minimal text. Let your visual do the heavy lifting. Keep textual explanation brief and impactful. Highlight insight. Guide your audience by clearly labeling and drawing attention to the aha moment on the chart. One key message. Design each chart or slide to communicate one primary finding for maximum clarity and retention. Tie to narrative. Ensure every statistic reinforces your core story, making the data relevant and impactful for your audience. Real-world application. Turning growth metrics into funding. A case study software as a service. Company successful leveraging statistical communication to secure capital. Beyond revenue, focusing on potential. Instead of merely presenting current revenue, the company highlight statistics that project future value and market opportunity. Customer lifetime value. Demonstrate long-term financial viability and customer retention rate. Market penetration rate showed show the small percentage of the total addressable market currently captured. Signal massive growth potential. Churn rate trends presented a declining churn rate over 3 quarters, providing product stickiness and positive momentum. Building your statistical literally a continuous journey. In changing your data comparison require deliberate practice and engagement with reliable educational resource. Question the source. Always evaluate the origin, methodology, and potential bias of any statistical data you encounter. Practice interpretation. Critically analyze complex graph and data table. What story is the visual telling, and what is it omitting? Foundational reading. Invest time in foundational knowledge resources like statistical literacy. Provide essential concepts and frameworks. Engage with course. Utilize interactive online module app and platform to solidify theoretical understanding with practical application. That's all my video presentation regarding understanding and using statistics. Thank you.